What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to animate using Pika Labs. So right here guys, on the Pika Labs Discord server, you want to simply scroll down right here and go on to the creations tool. So once you're right here on the creation room, we have lots of hashtag generate right here. We have lots of room that we can actually make use of. We have up to 10 right here. So guys, all you want to do is to simply just make use of any of this right here. So guys, I want to make use of this right here guys. So you go on to generate 3. So once you right here guys, simply go on to slash, and right here you say create, but guys, we want to simply make use of the animate option right here. So you simply go on to animate. So all you want to do is to simply drag and drop or click to upload file. So I'm just going to click on this right here, and I want to simply upload a file right here on this Pika Labs right here. So let's simply make use of this. I want to make use of this image right here guys. So once you're done with this, you can easily add more. So I can go on to add one more and simply just do that right there. But guys, I'm just going to make use of this and go on to enter right here. So as you can see, my creation is generating the video, so I should please be patient, and within some few minutes this will be done generating right here. So you want to simply wait for some few seconds for this to be done. So guys, as you can see right here, it is done animating right here. So if I simply just play this video, as you can see, with just an image right here, I've been able to create a video right here by simply making use of the animate tools right here. So guys, this is how you can actually animate using this AI tool called Pika Labs.